Hi kids, welcome to KidsVision TV. Today I am coloring beautiful mermaid. Let's start by coloring. Light green color. First I am coloring her chest with light green color. Red color. Now I am going to color her tail with red color. I am going to tell you a story about the princess and the treasure. The princess went into the forest because she was told about a treasure. She went alone. Since nobody wanted to go with her, she looked for days but didn't find any treasure. However, she found a frog. The princess thought it might be magical, so she picked it up and put it in her pocket. Oh, I never said I want a frog, but you did say you want a treasure, she thought, and she couldn't just throw the frog back into the forest because what if it got hurt? She decided to take it home and ask her mom about it. When she got there, those who think positively are rewarded with good things, and a map helped her locate the treasure. I hope you like this story. And now I am coloring her face, her body. I am coloring her arms with skin color. I love to coloring princess. Kids, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel to get every new video. Thank you. Now I am coloring her hair with golden color. I am coloring beautiful mermaid. I am coloring her long hair with golden color. She is looking so adorable. Dark purple color. Purple color. Now I am coloring bubbles with purple color. Beautiful mermaid drawing is complete.
Subscribe us for more videos.